Western Mass News is your vaccine authority. Governor Charlie Baker announcing eligibility dates for everyone here in the Commonwealth to get the COVID-19 vaccine. And this afternoon, we have vaccine team coverage bringing you all you need to know about this big announcement. Reporter Leon Purvis is live for us out at the Eastfield Mall. But first, Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in Springfield. Audrey.
For weeks, Governor Baker has said that the supply of vaccine from the federal government has been the main hurdle in getting Massachusetts residents across the vaccination finish line. Now he says he's so confident with what the federal government has projected in terms of upcoming supply that he's willing to give everybody a date to look forward to when it comes to signing up for the shot. While touring a large vaccine site in Brockton, Mass., Governor Charlie Baker announcing new dates for when the remaining eligibility groups can sign up for the COVID-19 shot. Monday is for people 60 and older, plus certain essential workers. April 5th, those 55 and older are eligible. April 19th, the last block, is for people 16 to 54. These markers coming after a call from the federal government.
The projections that the feds put out on the call yesterday were especially with respect to J&J, which I've been talking about for a long time, we're really encouraging both for the very end of March and for the month of April.
Answering a Western Mass News question, Baker says it's likely more doses will go to already established vaccine sites in the region rather than standing up new ones.
So goal number one is probably going to be to put more doses into the operation that's already been successful.
Health officials also announced new grant dollars for local communities hardest hit by the pandemic, including Holyoke and Springfield. That money will go towards staffing local vaccine efforts and increasing trust in hesitant communities. Baker claims much of the hesitancy is from people who would get the shot, just not right away.
I have seen polls where a lot of people say, I don't want to go first.
Baker couldn't say how long it would take people in each eligibility group to actually receive an appointment after pre-registering, but he says looking at data from the past few months helped his administration shape the timeline.
So part of the reason why these are 2-week intervals is that seems to be about how long it takes to get to the point where you've gotten everybody who is really anxious through the front door.
Governor Baker was particularly enthusiastic about getting an increased supply in Johnson & Johnson vaccines. That's one dose, and it only requires a normal refrigeration temperature, not the deep freeze like Moderna and Pfizer. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.